Hey friends, if you wish to open the DirectX Diagnostic tool in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the thing, here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the R key together. Type the command DXDIAG for DirectX Diagnostic and hit enter. Wait for a few seconds and it will open the DirectX Diagnostic tool. Other than this, you can search for DirectX Diagnostic tool in the Windows search bar, or you can just search for DXDIAG and then go to this option here. Okay, it's one and the same thing. And then click on next page and then next page and the next page and check if there are any problems here. The first page will need a while to check for problems, so you'll have to wait. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.